So, under depreciation pa rin yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Ano nga ulit si depreciation? It is the decrease in the value of an asset due to usage or passage of time. Ang gagamitin pa rin nating formula for book value is si FC minus DM. So, ano na ba yung method na gagamitin naman natin ngayon to solve for depreciation? We have sum of the years digit method. Tinatawag ito din na SOYD method or yung ibang book SYD method ang ginagamit na abbreviation para dito. As defined, sum of the years digit method daw is a form of an accelerated depreciation that is based on the assumption that the productivity of an asset decreases with the passage of time. So, ito palang SYD method na ito ay accelerated depreciation. Ibig sabihin, yung depreciation niya ay hindi na pare-pareho. Unlike a straight line method and sinking fund method na pare-pareho yung annual depreciation kada taon, using this method, iba-iba na yung value ng small letter d kada taon. So, dito din sa method na ito, yung higher depreciation is found in early years, then lower depreciation is found on later years. Okay? So, nasa year 1 yung pinakamataas, then unti-unting bumababa yung value ng depreciation. So, ito yung mga gagamitin nating formula. We have DM or yung annual depreciation. We have FC, first cost pa din yan, minus SV na salvage value, multiply by N minus M plus 1 over summation ng years. So, expand pa natin itong formula na to. We have FC minus SV multiplied by N minus M plus 1. So, ang nabago lamang ay yung denominator. We have summation of x from 1 to n. Etong formula nito is very useful when you are using your calculator, lalo na kapag yung calculator mo is may summation function. Pero paano kung ordinary calculator lamang yung gamit mo? Still, meron tayong magagamit na formula. We have FC minus SV multiplied by 2 times N minus M plus 1 over N multiplied by N plus 1. So ito, direct na kayang-kaya na siyang solvein ng mga ordinary calculators na walang summation function. These three formulas ay para kay annual depreciation o yung depreciation niya kada taon. Now, paano naman yung formula kapag gusto nating malaman ay yung total depreciation o yung accumulated depreciation? We have FC minus SV multiplied by summation of x from n minus m plus 1 up to n over summation of x from 1 to n. Again, this formula ay kapag may summation function ang inyong calculator. Paano kapag wala? Meron ba tayong magagamit ng formula? Yes, meron pa rin po tayong magagamit na formula which is FC minus SV multiplied by M times 2N minus M plus 1 over N multiplied by N plus 1. So, maalin naman dyan sa formulang yan ang gamitin mo kung gusto mo itong may summation or kung gusto mo itong wala, okay lang kasi both of these formulas will arrive with the same final answer. So, to appreciate more these formulas, let's try solving problems. Okay, we have a problem that a certain company makes it the policy that for any new piece of equipment, the annual depreciation cost should not exceed 10% of the original cost at any time, with no salvage value. Determine the length of service life necessary if the depreciation method used is the SOYD method. So the problem state na meron daw policy yung kumpanya kung saan yung annual depreciation o yung depreciation kada taon nung lahat ng bibilhin yung mga equipment ay dapat hindi lalagpas ng 10% ng original cost. Then, walang salvage value. So, yun ang condition nila in buying new pieces of equipment. So, kung sinabi dito that should not exceed 10%, ibig sabihin hindi lalagpas. Ibig sabihin din, si 10% ng original cost, siya na yung ating magiging maximum annual depreciation. Tama? So, kung maximum na siya, o siya yung pinakamataas, therefore, makikita natin yung depreciation na to in year 1. Kasi 'di ba as defined, SOYD method ay mas mataas o ang pinakamataas na depreciation ay nasa year 1. So ito ang gagamitin nating formula. FC minus SV multiply by N over summation ng years. E-expand natin yung summation ng years. We have N over 2, N plus 1. Then, ito na yung mga binigay sa problem. Di ba yung annual depreciation mo daw is 10% of the original cost. Kaya ito ay 0.10 ng FC is equal to FC, yung original cost natin, wala naman siyang binigay na value, na exact value ni first cost. So, hayaan lang natin siya na in variable terms. Now, wala ding salvage value, kaya 0 yung nilagay natin. Multiply by n over 2, n plus 1. So, yung n natin, kaya wala siyang value kasi siya yung hinahanap natin. Diba tinatanong ay ilan daw yung service life ng equipment na dapat nating bilhin. So, having this equation, diba pwede nating i-cancel si FC, then si n, pwede din nating i-cancel. Tapos, itataas natin si 2 sa numerator. So, magiging ganito na ang itsura niya kapag nag-cancel-cancel tayo. So, we have 0.10 is equal to 2 over n plus 1. Cross-multiply natin para malipat natin yung n sa isang side. So, we have n plus 1 is equal to 2 over 0.10. Now, solving this equation, solvable na siya, tama? Kasi isa na lang yung variable natin. We have n is equal to 19 years. So, yun pala yung service life or economic life ng equipment na bibilhin natin. So, dapat umabot siya ng 19 years.